is it, mammals. Right where you started. This was fun. We could make it a regular thing.
I don't know about that.
Right. Yes, because of all the mortal peril, of course. Oh well, the buck stops here.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Well, obviously. But good times just the same. We're not alone, are we?
Huh?
Hello, Rudy.
Fossil!
Looking for something? Why don't you come and get it? To the cave! Go!
Stay with the baby.
We'll be fine. Go.
Wuss. Pop goes the... Shoot! Come on! Move! Diego! Catch!
Through the hole, over the valley, one more loop.
Come on, lads! Heave! Better luck next time. This isn't gonna hold him long. Let's go!
Hold up, guys.
Way to go, Momzilla!
Come here, kids. Well, let me tell you something. You're where you belong now. And I'm sure you're gonna grow up to be giant, horrifying dinosaurs. Just like your mother. Mama, take good care of our kids.
You were a good parent, Sid.
Thanks. Can I babysit for you?
Not a chance.
Oh, come on, I work cheap.
All right, I'll think about it.
Yes.
Never happened.
He's gone. What am I supposed to do now?
That's easy. Come with us.
You mean up there? I never thought of going back. I've been down here so long, it feels like home to me. I'm not sure I can fit in up there anymore.
So, look at us. We look like a normal herd to you?